10 DIY backyard privacy screen ideas. Whether you want to enjoy your afternoon coffee or relax while shooting the breeze, the backyard has always been your safe haven, as it provides spectacular view to be adored. However, you might find it uncomfortable if you keep being watched by your nosy neighbors or even a peeping Tom. Although you dress up your backyard meticulously and want to amaze everybody with it, you do still need some privacy. Luckily, in this video, I've collected 10 DIY backyard privacy screen ideas that could give you the ultimate privacy while improving your backyard landscaping. If you choose one, few, or all, by the way, all these next videos are researched and compiled for you by simphome.com. 10. Fabric Privacy Screen Project Idea. Do you happen to have an old and neglected privacy screen or room divider? Instead of throwing away your tired old privacy screen, you'd better give it a second life by adding a twist to it. You'll just need to remove the paper from the screen by simply ripping it off. Prime and paint the wood frame if necessary. Cut 3 fabric panels to the size of the screen. You can use any fabric you want, but make sure it is 2 inches wider and 6 inches longer than the size of the panels on the screen frame. Once you've cut the fabric, fold, press, and sew the sides. Make sure the finished panel width will fit inside the frame. Then cut pieces of scrap wood for the tops and bottoms. Hem the top and bottom of each fabric panel to make a large pocket so the wood can slide inside like a curtain rod. Slide that scrap wood right onto the pocket and attach the fabric panels to the frame. Cut some small scraps of wood again to fit inside the width of the screen frame. Then screw those scraps from the back into the scraps you've cut for the curtain rods on the front. 9. A Garden Slat Wall Project Idea. Instead of investing in a screen panel or room divider to hide your patio away, which could take substantial amounts of money, try making this garden slat wall that is not only splendid, but also functional. To make this wall, you need to dig 2 22-inch holes to set the post. Next, put the post in the holes, secure them using concrete sand, and before you proceed to the next step, make sure the posts are completely level before pouring the concrete sand into the holes. Then screw the boards to the post. Don't forget to space them at least a ½ inch apart. Once the boards are up, fill the screw holes with wood filler, sand the boards thoroughly, stain them, and apply 2 coats of polyurethane to protect the boards. Finally, hang some flower pots to round out the slat wall. 8. Turn your unused doors into a privacy screen. Who would have guessed that some old closet doors can be a stylish privacy screen for your patio? To make this privacy screen, you just need to gather 3 or 4 old closet doors and repaint them if necessary. Then use hinges to connect the doors. And to make the privacy screen more appealing and more functional, screw 2 planters to it. FYI, you can also screw 2 shelf brackets to hang flowers. However, make sure you paint the planters and the shelf brackets the same color as the doors to make them united. 7. Use long grass as a privacy screen. Nothing can beat the charm of a living fence. Not only will it offer you privacy, but also make your backyard look exquisite. There are various kinds of plants that you can choose from to make a privacy screen. Boxwood, trees, or even ornamental grass. Ornamental grass grows more quickly than shrubs and evergreen trees, making it a perfect choice for those who are seeking beautiful privacy in no time. You just need to grow pink hair grass, fountain grass, feather reed grass, or any other ornamental grass in your favorite planters and let it do the rest. 6. A private room project idea. It would be great to have some extra shade in a sunny garden. Don't just dream about it, make it happen instead. With this outdoor canopy, you can have both privacy and shade. The first thing you need to do is make the roof by assembling 5 8-foot pieces of the 2x2 lumber and 2 8-foot pieces of 2x4. Then it's time to make the legs and attach them to the roof using ornamental brackets. Reinforce the structure by screwing wood tie plates or L-shaped tie plates over the outside of each corner where the roof and the legs meet, one on each side. Then apply any finish you like to the structure before adding a fabric to the shade. 5. Bamboo Privacy Screen Project Idea. Bamboo panels are one of the most widely used privacy screens in the world. Their traditional look incorporates Asian flair to the space, and thus bamboo panels can be the best choice for the privacy screen in your backyard. Actually, you can get bamboo panels in stores, but making your own bamboo panels from scratch can be fun and rewarding. To make a single bamboo panel, you will need thin wood strips that have been cut to the desired length. exterior wood stain, bamboo fencing, small L brackets to secure the top and bottom of the wood strips, and cup hooks. Repeat same steps to get another bamboo panel, and you can jump to next following idea. 4. Let the vines climb. Add more drama to your backyard with vines. Like ornamental grass, vines can be used to add privacy to your deck or patio. All you need to do is just place some planters with vines right under lattice panels or any trellis, and train your vines to climb up and wrap it. It's just a piece of cake, right? 3. A Chevron Privacy Screen project idea. Making a chic privacy screen doesn't have to be arduous. It doesn't have to be pricey either. All you need to do is shop around your home to find some leftovers. Then make a Chevron privacy screen out of the wood you found. The first thing you need to make is the structure consisting of 3 posts. Then cut the boards to fit to make the chevron pattern. After that, stain or paint the privacy screen, and that's it. 2. Upcycle the bottom of plastic bottles and craft it to complete your exterior. Are you wondering what you're going to do with a lot of plastic bottles in your home? Well, you can turn this non-degradable waste into a more beautiful and fruitful thing, like a privacy screen. You just need to cut the bottom of the plastic bottles and singe the rough edges to make them smoother and tidier. Once you've got as many flowers as you want, assemble the flowers using string. Use your imagination to assemble them. Before we get to number 1, I suggest you press subscribe button if this channel is new to you. Get new updates automatically every time I upload new videos. And let's find out the last idea sitting on our top chart. Lastly, number 1, PVC Privacy Screen. Is this a piece of artwork or a privacy screen? Surprisingly, it can be both. And you can have this artistic look in your backyard as soon as next, if you have everything needed to follow what I'm going to tell you. The first thing you need to do is sand some PVC pipes to create a little tooth that helps the adhesive stick better. Next, build a frame out of PVC pipes. Then cut the PVC into pieces and use your creativity and elbow grease to join them using construction adhesive. It's simple, right? And if you feel uncertain about what I just said, follow the link inside the description area. So although you are a friendly person, you don't have to share a backyard with your neighbor and sacrifice your privacy. With these 10 DIY backyard privacy screen ideas, you can enjoy being yourself on your patio or deck without worrying about being watched or espionage. Oh, and by the way, in simphome.com, you're going to find several lists that you cannot find in the Slide House channel. For instance, 10 small galley kitchen makeovers, 12 corner cabinet organization ideas, 12 kitchen cabinet DIY makeover ideas, and many more. This kind of list is compiled with more extensive research and more rigorous writing processes. As usual, the admin completed each of these lists with a relevant video that currently, as when this script is written, is free from the domination of ads. So what are you waiting for? If you have free time and internet access, once again, follow the link inside the description area and rip all benefits that SimpHome has to offer. That's it for now. Before you leave, like this video if you truly enjoy it, comment it, or share it with anyone close to you in your social media account or email list. Lastly, see you again later with more videos like this in the near future. And until that time, thanks for watching.